Good morning. I'm at our Power Feed rip saw here. You can see we're just a few days after our basic maintenance video we just made. I want to show you some great tips and tricks for the magnetic starter that activates this saw. I'll show you how to clean it and how to make it work. So we've de-energized the saw, and now we've taken the cover off, and we can see that the contacts are a little bit corroded with carbon and other deposits. We need to clean those off. I'll show you what that looks like. So here's part of the contact removed, and you can see that this bridges that gap and makes the connection. And on the back side here, you can see that it has some pitting and some arcing there. It's not making a clean connection. I've already cleaned this other half, so you can see how much cleaner that is. There's still a residual pitting, but I think it's going to be okay. We'll get to work. Let's test to see if the saw will run now. I have the power back on, everything's closed up, and let's see if the contacts work. So just a little regular maintenance is all we need to do from here on out to make sure they don't get corroded and pitted.